here is how you can easily order for your Mbank debit card and get it delivered to you in just 2 days. I'm also going to show you how to activate this card online in just one simple step. So hit the like button and let us get started. Once your Mbank account opening is successfully completed, log in into your Mbank app. You will land on this page. Just click on continue and you'll be automatically directed to the order card page, okay? Here you will see your card holder name and other account details, including your account type and account number that will be linked to this debit card. Take a few moments to confirm that your details are correct and then select the checkbox to accept to the terms and conditions and then tap on the order or request card button. That is it. Your card has been successfully requested and now let us activate this card. Tap on continue at the bottom of the Mbank app and you will see the cards tab right here in the corner next to the right. Click on it and make sure you are under the debit cards. Your card information will be revealed plus the red activation button. So go ahead and tap on it. Again, go ahead and tap on the activate card button to complete the process. That is it. Now your card is ready to be used online. But keep in mind that this is a virtual card which is supposed to be converted to a physical debit card that I'm about to show you how to do right now in one easy step. Simply tap on the order physical card button. But first, if you want to add this card to Apple Pay, simply tap on add card on Apple Wallet. Agree to the terms and conditions and then your card will be added. So once you tap on receive physical card or order for physical card, this new window will be open where you have to input your delivery address details. Go ahead and enter all the necessary information, select the checkbox and tap on the request card button. So if you want to know which ATM machines we can use for depositing money in our Mbank account, watch this video that is up next. Subscribe and drop a comment so that you don't miss out on UAE zero balance banking tips. And finally, go ahead and enter the OTP that has been sent to your mobile number. Wait for a call from the Mbank delivery team to arrange the delivery date for your Mbank card.